Sige, ngat-ngatin mo yan. Sirain mo na lahat, pati yung cellphone. Sige, tita. Sige, sige. Tusok na yung mata mo, ha? Tusok yung mata mo, ha? Ito na. Bigaon, oh. Give me back. Give me back. No, not the charger, my love. No. Uy. No. Electric. No. Shh. No. I hide it. No. Shh. Mika. You have many toys. No. Not the charger. It's electric. Bright kay ka, oh. Tanawa, oh. Yang wakisun, oh. Bright kayo, oh. Not the charger. No, you bad girl. No. Okay, ay, bad girl. Ay. No. No. Give me 5. Give me 5. Kiat, oh. Tambok. Kita na naman niya. No, don't bite. No. Ay, okay. Kiat. Okay. No. Kita enggak? No. Ay. No. Ay. No. Palangga talaga ni mama, eh. Kiat lang, oh. No. No. Kakit siya palangga ni mama, eh. Kalami, kumuton. Nakita na naman yung charger. She bored. She want play. Nakita na naman yung charger. Where is Tata? Okay, cellphone, ngat-ngatin, tablet, nabuak na. Yung tablet ko, nasira, kinagat niya. Yung laptop, nakita ko, kagatin na naman nila. No? Sige. Ay, no. Bad girl, ikaw today. Why you are bad girl today? No. Mag-sleep ka lang si Suya, oh, nag-sleep, oh. Mahulog ka. Mahulog ka. Nakita na naman yung judge. She knew how to fix herself. She almost fall. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. You have sharp nail. You have to cut your nail. You tambok. Huh? You tambok. You are tambok. Kagwapa, oy. Gwapa sa palangga ni mama, oy. No, no, no.